Hi everybody, my name is Sean O'Kane with Chip Estimate TV, your IP resource for your next chip design in the world of the EDA industry. Our guest today is Lee Cleveland, Vice President of Engineering with Kilopass Technology. Thank you very much for being here, Lee.
Well, thank you for having me.
And just to start off, let's give everyone a high-level view of what Kilopass Technology does.
Kilopass basically builds OTP memory IP. And OTP means one-time programmable. It's a non-volatile memory, which means if the power goes off, the data stays there. We build a highly secure product. It's hard to detect the data. Power's good. Typical applications are security keys, conditional access, configuration, and code storage.
Okay, now you've been in the memory industry for over 20 years. And you've seen the trends in the market, and what do you think will drive the evolution of the memory IP going forward?
Memory IP for the last 10 years has really been driven by mobility. Originally in flash, the evolution of mobile phones really exploded the memory market. Now that continues with embedded memories, because as the form factor gets smaller, the power requirements become more. You can't afford to have external chips. So it pays off for the customers to embed it inside.
Okay. So Kilopass has gone through some really exciting changes lately, not just in management, but just business in general. So can you talk a little bit about that, the changes within Kilopass right now?
The big change in Kilopass is we've really decided to diversify ourselves. Originally, we worked almost exclusively with TSMC.
Okay.
Which TSMC is an industry leader, but we really felt that we needed to broaden our business, and broaden our business in more than one way. First off, we started working with other foundries, global foundries, for instance, the conference here, UMC, Dongbu, really to proliferate our products across many platforms, and as well as working with IDMs such as Samsung.
Right, right.
The other thing is we've been expanding the business in the product side. Recently we've been approaching, our previous business was more small density memories. So really configuration, security keys, things like that. So maybe 1K, 8K, things like that. Recently we moved up into the megabits. That gives us access to new markets, code storage. We can start approaching taking parts serial flash, ROM. It really allows us to expand our business and move into much bigger markets. We think this is a big play for Kilopass.
You spoke of the megabits. You just have the industry's first only 4 megabit embedded non-volatile memory. Could you talk a little bit about that innovation, what it enables, and the new high capacity embedded NVM?
Right. So a few things it enables. One thing, it actually gives the customer more control of the system. Okay. So as I said before, we're moving into some of these serial flash, E² markets, which were previously served by external chips. If you're using external chips, you're really dependent on another supplier, right? If you can, now our internal memory is big enough and small enough, so it's cost effective for them to put it inside. Now the customer's in control. Okay. Now, along with this, of course, we had to make the power much less. The power of this, the gusto, is 10x less than our previous generations. Density per area 7 times less. So it really makes it both economically worthwhile and gives the customer more control. The other thing is about our memories in general is the high security. We're based on a physical link that's maybe a nanometer in size. Okay, so it's extremely hard to detect using emission microscopes, physical analysis, electrical analysis. You really can't tell what's in there. And also, it's extremely scalable. The Gusto was first released on 40 nanometer. We're scaling into 28 nanometer. And we're also backfilling this into our portfolio for customers who aren't quite there yet. To give them a better a more economical solution and really, a chance to take advantage of the benefits.
It's perfect and well said. You can find and explore Kilopass technology IP on ChipEstimate.com, as well as the common platform microsite within ChipEstimate.com, and supporting all Global Foundries manufacturing technologies. So thank you very much. Lee Cleveland, Vice President of Engineering, Kilopass Technology, right here. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.